let's get a check of that forecast if you are traveling today, because if you're traveling tonight and tomorrow, it's kind of a different story than if you're maybe heading out within the next couple hours.
Absolutely. Today is going to be one of those days where we see the cloud cover through the afternoon, but tonight is when the rain comes back, and it's here to stay for a couple of days. It won't be consistently raining the whole time, but it's definitely something you should pay attention to. I want to take you outside right now because we're still seeing some of the fog lift. Temperature of 67 degrees as a result. So our temperatures, once the fog continues to lift, will climb quite a bit faster. Here's the rain coverage breakdown for the rest of the week. Today, only about 10% coverage. Tonight, that coverage goes up to 40%, 40% on Wednesday, 60% coverage on Thursday, and it starts to really decline on Friday. This is all thanks to a front that's kind of just wiggling back and forth across North Texas, and I'll show you that. But because of that front kind of moving back and forth, our temperatures are also going to go up and down. 81 today, the front moves south, 70s Wednesday, Thursday, the front moves through all the way, and that's what drops our highs into the 60s on Friday. As far as our severe weather threat, it's not high. I'm showing you this for tonight. This is it when that front clears the area. We could see a few strong storms. I'm not really thinking we'll see it in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I think it'll be closer to areas in and around the Red River with an isolated storm or two with hail up to quarter size, maybe some gusty winds. Again, this is not going to be a widespread threat. Tomorrow morning, we could also see a few of those storms kind of linger along our western counties that could produce the same threats. Let's go to the timing now. The 10% that I'm telling you about for today, this is it. This is Tuesday, 4 in the afternoon. Notice it stays partly to mostly cloudy. We're going to see a little scattered shower here or there. That front stays across the north and west. I'll show you what that does to our highs. But look at this. This is Wednesday, 4 in the morning. That threat that I'm telling you about, look at this. This is where I'm seeing it across portions of the Red River. We'll see this front clear the area, maybe about half of the Metroplex. Wednesday around 9. There's that other threat that I was telling you about. Really, it stays to the north and to the west of the Metroplex. Again, we could see an isolated strong storm or two. This is now showing you Wednesday afternoon. We'll see most of the activity to the north of the area. This front eventually lifts back up as a warm front. That's why our temperatures climb a bit more on Wednesday. And look at this, 60% coverage, but that's going to hold off until the night. We see that front come back late in the day Thursday. This front then clears the area, and once it does, it interacts with moisture. It provides for some marginally heavy rainfall south and east of the Metroplex. This is by Friday morning, and then it starts to clear out. We could pick up anywhere between ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall between now and Friday morning. Right now, Dallas looking a little cloudy, 67 degrees, but I think we'll see a few rays of sunshine this afternoon. And once that happens, our temperatures will climb quick with a high temperature near 81 degrees. This will happen around 3 in the afternoon. Look at this, the 80s across the Metroplex and across most of North Texas. That front that's trying to come in is going to stall. On the western side of that front, temperatures are going to be in the 70s. And on the eastern side of that front, most of us will be in the low 80s and the upper 70s. Okay, so a lot to take in here over the next several days. It all depends on how far that front sinks south. So be sure to stay with us every day. Our temperatures might change by a degree or two, but over the weekend, we're looking at sunshine, highs in the 70s.